nutrition is one of the wonderful workshops I ever attended, because it focuses on fortification of rice, which is one of the fundamental staple food that's used almost globally. So it meets the target, and it comes at the right time.
I have learned the importance and the benefits of fortifying rice. So I hope what we've learned will put into practice.
This training by Millers for nutrition has really been impactful. Coming together with a lot of partners, it has really helped me to learn a lot of things regarding the rice industry, how to fortify rice, and a lot of things around the rice industry. Of the truth, I've learned so much.